Oh, a blow tube and a grabber wouldn't hurt either. Let's talk about annealing kilns. You want to think about what all you're going to create, and if you need a lot of room or not. Bead or small marble makers may be able to get away with using a ceramic fiber blanket or vermiculite. Also think about if you're going to be making multiple parts to connect together to make a piece. Each of those parts will need to stay warm by resting in the annealer. To rest apart, you will need the door of the annealer to have a little gap at the bottom, and the door should swivel open instead of clipping closed. It's kind of easy to spot these annealers because they will have what's called a mandrel holder. Looks like a piece of metal with teeth in front of the doors that will hold the glass rod with the part on it and rest inside the doors to keep it warm. If the annealer is specifically for glass blowing, it will come with presets to warm up to a certain degree and stay there for when you have parts that need to rest until you're ready to connect them, or when you finish a piece to begin the cooling process, which cools the piece evenly. Otherwise, the final piece would have stress points acting as a ticking time bomb until it all falls apart or explodes. If your annealer doesn't have these presets, you will need to set the annealing cycle yourself. Depending on how thick your final piece is, determines the annealing cycle and how long it will take to cool properly. Search for glass annealing cycles to determine what is best for you. It's very important to look at the voltage, ampage, and watts that are needed to power the annealer. We had upgraded to a really beefy annealer and had to call an electrician to upgrade the power in our studio. In the US, 15 to 20 amp and 120 volt circuit outlets are most common. When the piece is finished cooling and it's time to turn off the annealer, flip the switch and unplug it just as an extra precaution. Leave a like and follow if you found this video helpful. Check out our other videos called Core Equipment to find out what else you'll need, or our project ideas if you're looking for something to make yourself.